Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on forward edge, guys, but what we'll be doing here actually will apply to Lincoln MKX, guys. We will show you how to remove or how to replace front door panel, guys. You will need to remove your front door panel if you need to do anything inside the door, guys. Window regulators, window motors, door lock actuators, speakers, guys. So many things that can go wrong inside. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, guys, we're making at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you want to save even more money, guys, on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. And you can see, guys, what place we use to get all the parts and tools in our videos, guys. So this is, guys, a 2009 forward edge. And we'll demonstrate, guys, how to remove and how to get that front door panel out of the way. The right side will be the same like this one, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that on the driver's side now. So now, guys, we need to get a small screwdriver, and right here there is one cap that we'll need to actually pry open. Under that cap there is one screw, guys, with a Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove that screw. Okay, you can see it got loose. Now don't drop the screw, guys. Okay, right there, perfect. What else we need to do, guys? We need to get a plastic panel removal tool, and we need to try, to actually pry that thing out. Okay, it's coming out. You can see, just like that. Now we have to disconnect, guys. Okay, the wires. Okay, that is for the door lock switch, central locking switch. Right here you press in and pull it out. Okay, you can see just like that. So with that, that cover out of the way, now we can continue, guys. We'll need to remove, first the window switch, guys. Okay, the whole window switch will need to be disconnected right here. We'll show you guys. This is the first thing, because most of the people will think that the window switch, you remove it with the door panel. On this one you have to actually take it apart, guys, yourself. Okay, it does get stuck a little bit here and there sometimes. Okay, perfect. You can see, because all the wiring harness is there, guys, and we need to disconnect the wiring harness now before we continue. Press in, disconnect one by one, there as well, one here, perfect, and this one comes out. What else, guys, we need to do? Okay, we need to get a 732 socket, guys, and right here there is another bolt hidden in the handle. Okay, you can see where it is. Then, guys, we need to go ahead and remove. We might need to get a shorter screwdriver. I don't know if this one will fit. Let's see. We have one screw right there with a Phillips head screwdriver. It is coming out. Okay, so that's great. One on the bottom. Okay, this one is coming loose as well. Perfect. Now, guys, we have underneath a few as well, you can see. Right there too. Quite a few, guys, screws. I like that design. I mean, it's not pretty, but it holds the door panel in place really, really good. And I just noticed that Ford here, guys, check it out, even didn't paint their door all the way out of the factory. That's crazy. Okay, Torx 20, start looking bit on this one. It's not a Phillips screwdriver, that's a Torx 20. Start looking bin. And now, guys, we need to grab that door panel. Okay, pull it out, then go up, come out, and let's see if we have anything else holding. Nothing, guys. Let me show you where all the clips are located now. Only two clips. 1, 2 clips here. One on top here, guys, and I don't see more. I think this is all, guys. So that's how you guys remove or replace front door panel, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.